Hello, this is Windows 11 and in this video I want to show how you can select your files and folders in File Explorer. If you need to select all of your files, you can simply click on empty space in File Explorer and drag on the files you need and choose between them. For example, all of your files, or if you need the files from a specific location, just select them. You can use these three more options and click select all to select all of your files in folder. Another option to select folders is by clicking on one of them, for example a folder, and use left or right key on your keyboard to select the file you need. For example, right files or left files, you can move between them. If I press Shift key on my keyboard, I can select more files, for example to the right, or if I'm in one of these files, I can press Shift and uh, click, press left button or right button to select files. If your files are not consecutive, you can choose the files you need, for example B folder. Then you need to press Ctrl button and, for example, select other files with your mouse, for example 6 and B. I can choose files in different locations, files and folders in different locations. You can revert your selection by go to more options and invert selection. You can see it will be inverted, and I can deselect with clicking select none, or click my mouse on in free space and unselect them. In some programs, if you press Ctrl and A button on keyboard, you can select all of the files or text in your Windows operating system. Thanks for watching this video.